All right, it's 29 degrees out here, and I'm about to do a cold start on this 140 tractor, 1968 Farmall 140, and it hadn't been ran in about 2 weeks, but I wanted to come out here and see what it'd do. Here we go. It's pretty dirty. Been sitting here without a bath for about 8 months, so 1968, redone to the all original specs, down to the original lights, wiring, generator, all of that. Runs really good. Forgive how dirty it is. It looks a lot better when it's washed and in the daytime. So let's turn the gas on. Still got a lot of touching up to do, certain areas, but it's pretty much finished. Still got to paint the cultivators and put those on. Let's see here. First, shake hands with the shifter, make sure it's in neutral. This one's a little cold-natured, so we can pull the choke out. This one's a key with a push button start. So we turn that key on. There you have it. It runs real good with no smoke. Here's the oil pressure at idle when the engine's cold. Oil's thick. Go ahead and rev it up. Oil pressure is that after I've revved it up. Hydraulic. This is the dim setting, a little red tail light. Bright, and I'll turn the camera out so you can see the difference. And this tractor has the original 12-volt generator set up. And it also has the red light on the bright setting. Then we're going to go to the R, which is rear. It'll change the red light to a work light. And then it'll turn this flasher off. Put it back on bright lights. I'll show you. Generator charge as well. included. The new voltage regulator. I also wanted to show you the front nose piece here. The bottom of it was banged up, and I had a new piece for the bottom made and installed it. It doesn't have a crank on, but I think it looks a lot